Hi, my name is John and welcome to another Zeros Ones video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a system image using Windows 10 Home. So to get started, what you want to do is open up the control panel. And one of the reasons you might want to make a system image, this is going to take basically an image of everything on your hard drive. So if you ever want to go and recreate or have to recover from a virus or anything like that, it'll have all the updates and everything to this point in time, and that's a system image. So, like I said, to get started, we need to get to the control panel. And one of the ways to do that is come over here to the Windows icon on the taskbar and right-click on that. And that'll open up this window, and now you can left-click on Control Panel. Once in the Control Panel, you want to go to System and Security, and then down here to Backup and Restore Windows. It says Windows 7, but that's not what we're going to do, but that's what we want to click. Backup and Restore. And now over on the left, you'll see Create a System Image. We'll click there. It's looking for devices, drives, or disks that it can back up to, create the image and put it on. You can also create DVDs if you have a DVD burner, and you can save this to a network location. I'm going to save this to an external hard drive. It's an old laptop hard drive I had, and I bought a little USB enclosure. So here it is. I'm going to click on it, select that one, and then click Next. Now here are the partitions and the directories and what it's going to save in the image, and we want it all. So we're going to start the backup. It says here the backup could take up to 11 gigs of disk space. That's fine. So I'm going to start the backup. Now this process here of creating the system image and then writing it to the disk can take a few minutes at least, or longer, depending on the size of the image. Now the image will be compressed, so you can't really go by how big the drive is you're making the image of, because it will get compressed. But it does depend on how much data it's going to be contained in the image to how long this will take. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue, the process will continue, but I'm going to pause the video so we don't have to just sit here and watch this. And when it comes back after making the image and the next step, I'll start up the video again. All right, so I'm going to pause the video right about here, and I'll be back once it starts up again, once the next step begins. All right, be back shortly. All right, we're back. And this is the screen you'll get once it's done creating the system image and copying the files to the drive. And for this, you're going to need DVDs to create the system repair disk. You can't do it to a USB or to the external hard drive. So I'm going to say no on this. And backup completed successfully. All right, so this was a 11 gigabyte system image, and it took about 8 minutes to create and copy to the drive. So that's how long that took for the 11 gigabyte system image. So I'm going to close this, and now we should have a backup. So let's go take a look. Go up here, this PC. And there's my drive. And there's my Windows image backup. All right. Well, there you have it. That's how you create a system image in Windows 10. All right, that's the end of the video. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you found it useful.